Getting carried away, understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, getting carried away. Have you ever found yourself so excited or involved in something that you lost track of what you were supposed to do? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into. Let's understand this phrase, its meanings, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Getting carried away refers to losing self-control or getting overly excited about something to the point where you may act irrationally or not think about the consequences. It can happen when we're too passionate, enthusiastic, or even angry about something. This phrase is often used to suggest that someone has gone a bit too far with their feelings or actions. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use getting carried away in different contexts. 1. In enthusiasm. I got so carried away talking about my vacation plans that I forgot to ask about yours. 2. In spending. She got carried away with the sale and bought more than she needed. 3. In arguments. We both got carried away during the debate and said things we regret. These examples show that getting carried away can have both harmless and serious implications depending on the situation. While it's normal to get carried away occasionally, it's important to recognize and manage our emotions. Here are a few tips. Take a moment to pause and reflect before acting on your impulses. Set limits for yourself in situations where you know you might get carried away. Ask for feedback from friends or family if you're unsure about your behavior. Understanding and applying these strategies can help you stay grounded and make more deliberate choices. Getting carried away is a part of being human. It shows our capacity for deep emotion and passion. However, recognizing when we're getting carried away can help us maintain balance and make thoughtful decisions. We hope this video has shed some light on this common phrase and that you'll feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.